New Zealand is on track to have the worst year ever for climate-related insurance claims, even before the latest record-breaking July events are tallied up.
It comes with a stark warning tonight that insurance won't be available to the vulnerable areas sooner than first thought. Here's Juliet Speedy.
It's news to no one that extreme climate events are on the rise. Last year set a new record in New Zealand for climate-related insurance payments at $324 million, and this year looks even worse.
This year we're tracking pretty much close to 200 million, and that doesn't include the events in July.
And July's already seen 3 big storms in less than 3 weeks.
We used to experience over a 5-year period maybe $500 million worth of extreme event losses. Now, in the most recent 5 years, we're moving well over $1 billion.
Homeowners in vulnerable areas are still insured for now, but the costs are rising year on year.
There are concerns there long term.
It's a wee bit of a concern.
Climate experts have a stark warning to those living in hazardous areas.
Any location that's currently exposed to a 1 in a 100-year flood is likely to lose insurance in the next 30 years.
That's potentially tens of thousands of homeowners across the country.
At least 10,000 houses, possibly as many as 40,000 houses are likely to lose insurance in the next 10 to 30 years. Some of those timeframes are going to be sooner.
Research shows Christchurch and Wellington will be the city's first hit because of the tidal ranges, but they will closely be followed by Dunedin and Auckland.
Insurance is already a challenge for people in flood-prone areas right across the country, and a number of people already have very high excesses.
Climate research out this year found New Zealand's sea level rise will be 30 centimetres in some areas, as soon as 10 years away. Despite all this, building continues in hazardous areas. The government's National Adaptation Plan is due to be released next month. The Insurance Council expects big things.
Don't continue to consent building in dumb places. That just adds to the problem.
We need to be having really difficult conversations about can we actually remain in harm's way given how fast these hazards are changing.
And changing in plain sight. Juliet Speedy, Newshub.